people, this is Chef and Knife. Thank you for watching my channel. Let's start this channel with something out of the box, right? We call it bar spoon, right? And you will be thinking, trying to showcase a cutlery equipments or kitchen equipments. Why I'm showing a bar spoon, right? You know why I'm using this bar spoon in professional areas because it can be a good testing tasting when spoon, or you can use this to for your sauces, right? Because it's a very big handle, because sometimes you work in a high flame areas and you can burn yourself, so you can use this for stirring your sauces and taste your sauces also. And it's not good for plating, right? We can use this spoon to plate your food and gravy and sauces, right? No issue on this one. But what I found is bar spoon helpful, that you can leave this spoon on saucepan and it will not get burnt, because it stays like edge of the your saucepan, so it can get heat easily. But because of its length, I can stir it, right? And I can use it to scoop off from saucepan. I can taste it. I can do plating with it. I can do a multiple task from the spoon. And you have seen this one, right? That's a hammer type thing, right? I can use this to break things which is hard to break from a spoon, right? Uh, so you can say it's a bar spoon, but it can be used in multitask in a kitchen, right? It can be good for multitasking kitchen spoon. I know people say it's a bar spoon. How can you use this spoon in a kitchen, right? Buy it and use it. You'll see the difference, because this spoon can be used as different way, right? To stir your sauces, right? Taste your sauces, plate your sauces on food, or you can do a plating, right? You can use this spoon to break things which you want to use for cooking, right? Hard things, right? Some kind of shells you want to, if you want to open break it, you can break this, right? It got a hammer, so grab your things and right, and you can use this as multi-purpose spoon in a kitchen, right? Because I'm using it, right? I'm not joking, I'm using the spoon in whenever I'm cooking, right? So I just want to I was showing you my new spoon which I was using a few days back. I have tested the spoon in a kitchen, right? And it's a good spoon for working in a multi area of kitchen, right? I'm not kidding around. It can be used as a multitask thing as a spoon. So have seen this spoon on many bar, right? I was thinking that, can I use this spoon in my cooking? And I did. From couple of days I was using this spoon for my daily routine of cooking, right? And I found this one very useful, right? You can taste it, you can use for plating, you can use this spoon for multi-purpose, right? So if you're a home cook, right, or if you are professional, you can use this same bar spoon to cook your meat, right? to create your sauces. You can use this, right? Easy to stir and easy to handle, right? And yeah, it's very good gripping grip. It's a very good grip. And yeah, buy the spoon from any store, right? Any bar store or any equipment, kitchen equipment store. If you're going for a chef club or any kind of places which sell bar equipments, will have a bar spoon. There are many types of bar spoon, but I prefer to use this as my cooking routine because I've seen a bar spoon with a fork, right? You can use this fork, bar spoon. You can use that spoon in barbecue. Let me buy that spoon with a fork, right? With a barbecue fork. Let me see, can I use that knife on my barbecue days? If everything goes well, there will be a video of spoon with a fork, bar spoon with a fork. Let me use that spoon for a couple of days in kitchen. Then I'm able to review that spoon because I need to buy that spoon and I need to use the spoon also before putting a video on it. Let and I have used this spoon, so that's for the office giving my reply, my review that a person who loves to cook can use this kind of spoon at home as the chef and knife. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, please share, and if you are following my channel, please share my videos with your friends and your family. Yeah, this is Chef and Knife. Thank you guys. Have a lovely day.